the Wilton Recipe Right Non-Stick Long Loaf. Pans are a fantastic addition to any kitchen. Made from high-quality steel, these pans offer durability and excellent heat conductivity, ensuring even baking every time. The non-stick coating on the interior allows for easy release of baked goods and makes cleanup a breeze. One of the standout features of these pans is their rectangular shape, which is perfect for baking breadloaf cakes and other delicious treats. The long shape provides a consistent and uniform bake, ensuring that your baked goods are cooked evenly throughout. Whether you are a professional baker or an enthusiastic home cook, these loaf pans will be a reliable companion in your culinary endeavors. Another noteworthy feature of the Wilton Recipe Right non-stick long loaf pans is their dishwasher-safe nature. This makes cleaning up after baking a hassle-free task. Simply toss them in the dishwasher and they will come out looking as good as new. This feature is particular